mechanics now. Today, working on the old DeWalt skill saw. I've done a couple things on this before I haven't ever showed you guys. Like, this isn't the original cord, and that's not the original cord end. Nothing stays original for very long after we use it a minute. But what I'm doing today is brushes, which I think are right under here, right underneath that cap, which might be really neat. It looks like I may only have 2 screws, not a whole lot to... See my brushes? That's my new ones. My new... Oh, isn't that weird? Look how they got the groovedness into them. This will wear out your stuff really fast, probably. That's the new ones. DeWalt tools on DeWalt tools. All my tool videos are heavily inspired by AVE on YouTube there. If it wasn't for a lot of his videos, I wouldn't take too many things apart. It's kind of dirty. That's where it goes, and there's what the old brush is looking like. If y'all can see that, it's way time to... Hey, look, you see the little slot? Let me get that slot right there where the wire slides back and forth along with your travel. Yeah, we're all the way. We're bottomed out. She's bottomed. Bottomed, boys. No more travel. You see where we got the ridge on the top side here? So you can see how far we've worn into those copper tabs. But there's still copper left. So we'll put however much those things were, like $15 set of brushes in there, and keep right on going with our... I don't buy the tools, so I don't really remember. I bet Charlie knows right off the top of his head how much this all was. I want to say like the $200 to $300 range, $250. Yeah, we'll put a $15 set of brushes in there and keep shooting. You think, guys, was it worth it? Was it even time? There's the thumbnail. Was it even time for a brush replacement? I mean, there's plenty. Put it back in. Put it back. That's the other side. Oh yeah. There we go. Imagine this, whatever this thing is called, this wheel in here that the brushes make contact on. I imagine it doesn't look any worse than it does because we took this apart a few months ago. And I did just this with the sandpaper, cleaned the end of the brushes, and knew we were going to need new brushes in a little while. So here we are a few months down the road. This might be simple easy, or I'll screw it up big time. Isn't that weird? Look at that. See how the old ones was a red wire? And the new one I thought was a black wire? I guess it's also a red wire, but with stuff on it. Look. Got the schmoo. This came pretty schmooed. Holy. I think that's graphite dust from the Factory. Sure feels like graphite dust. Or whatever the hell this is. Pull the wire out of the brush and then you're good. Simple and easy, that's why there wasn't one. That's why there wasn't one up. Better make sure it works. And contact. Before you could look through those holes and it just lit up like the 4th of July. Really bad, sparks everywhere. Now there's just a little sparks. I think a normal amount of the sparks. Before it just sounded bad. It didn't, you hear how when it runs it's like a steady speed. It kind of like sounded like the speed bounced around and the sparks were coming out of the holes there. I think that's how you change the brushes in the DeWalt DW369 7 1/4 circular saw with electric brake.